we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
House sparrows eat mostly grains and seeds, as well as livestock feed and, in cities, discarded food. House sparrows readily eat birdseed including millet, milo, and sunflower seeds. Urban birds readily eat commercial birdseed. In summer, house sparrows eat insects and feed them to their young.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.